Check if 456 is divisible by 6. So how you will solve this type of question? Okay, I have given a statement. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So how you will know that this number is divisible by any number is divisible by 2? Just see the unit digit, and if the unit digit is even number, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. And how you will know that the number is divisible by 3 or not? I already have given a video. Okay, so the sum of the digit, if the sum of the digits uh, was divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. So so here 4 5 6 unit place is even number, then the number will be divisible, divide by 2, and we'll add 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So 4 5 6, yes, it will be uh, it will be divided by 6. Yes. Thank you for watching the video.